Please like and subscribe.
Morning guys, and welcome to another. Dawn's here, Freddie's here having a wee or whatever he's up to, and we're doing something a bit different today. There's some salt pads up here. I think they're called salt pads, and I've seen them photographed many a time. Different photographers have done it. It looks a little bit dodgy to me when I first looked at it for getting to. So what I've decided to do is we're going to photograph them with a drone and see how that looks. And when I get back, I'll have a look at them on the files, and if I'm not satisfied with them, then I will come back down with the wellies on and do with the camera. But to be fair, the drone, you can fly it in any position, so you might get some photographs with that, what you wouldn't normally see, because it's, you know, you can take it from a higher point of view. But as normal, we were a little bit late getting here for high tide, so I'm not quite sure how much of these will be exposed or not enough water on them, but we'll see when we get up there. So there you go. We've had a quiet week off camera, off this camera, while we've been up here, and that's due to we've met some friends, and what I don't like doing is videoing while I'm with other people. To be fair, it's a bit rude and stuff, so them photographers themselves have been doing a bit of photography. So what I'm going to do, if you carry on watching this channel, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be going and revisiting the places I've took photographs of. So even though I ain't got no filming to go with it, I'll show you the places where we've been, and then show you the photographs that I've done a few days ago, and that'll all be on this vlog. So there you go, something to look forward to. So the drone I'm flying is the Air 3S. It's become a popular drone now since they've changed the rules, and they're allowing you to fly it in the same category as the mini drones. It's a lot more stable. It copes with the wind a lot more, stuff like that. So anyway, I'll switch off then, guys. Wait for Dawn to catch me up, and I'll speak to you soon. I'll just spin you around things very quickly. See, I don't know if this camera's picking it up. We can just see like the veins in the land where the water runs through. I see it a little bit better up here. I'll switch off now and I'll switch it back on when we get up there, so you can have a better look. Catch them. Okay then, guys, so if we just turn the zoom on this, you can see them a bit more now, them different channels coming off the lock inbound, so they form different sort of patterns. So what we're going to do is see if we can find some sort of composition with them and photograph them. Should be good, maybe, we'll see. Just go up a little bit further. I don't think there's quite enough water on them, to be fair, but seeing if we can go a little bit higher, maybe, I don't know. Right then, guys, I'm going to catch you in a bit. We'll get the drone up, have a look, see what's going on. Catch you in a bit. Cheers, guys. then guys, so this is our second spot. You've got residence area parking, even though you're allowed to park here, it's mainly for residents I think. The locals, let's say. We've got benches here and stuff. But again, absolutely fantastic for photography. I'll just spin you around and show you. Let me just get down this bit of a slope. So, as you can see, we've got all these rocks here. But the other day when we was doing the photography, the sea, it actually come up to these rocks here, right in front of us. It actually come up onto this, and you can see that overnight they must have had it up to here again. You can see how flat the sand is. Absolutely brilliant it was. But I mean, obviously the water's hitting these rocks, and it's creating havoc. It was absolutely crazy. But you wouldn't think so today, how calm it is. But when I was on about it, they'd had a storm come through, and we was all stood up in this area and photographing the massive waves. I took some photographs and I'll put them up for you now. So have a quick look, like and subscribe, comment on the photographs, let me know how you're feeling about them. That'd be great. Catch you in a bit. Okay then guys, and this is stop number 3 on the same road for photography what we did. Again, I'll put you a picture up. Now when we got to this one, it was absolutely crazy. The sea was in, we'd got a storm on the go, we've got massive waves rolling across the beach, and to be honest with you, what I did, I stopped in the van. Oh, there's a little bit of a pull-in a little bit further down the road to what this is, and I just wound the window down on the van and photographed it with the long lens out the van. It's a cracking beach. Down on the left hand side you've got some rock formations down there which we photographed on a different day.
Please like and subscribe.